time to play with some magnets. Isn't it fun? I love it. I love magnets and I love creating magnets. Hi friends, this is Sonia here from GrowingCraft, and today we are going to create something really important. Now when I say important, do not miss out meanwhile that you need to subscribe to my channel. Why? So that you know that when I have posted a new video or a new content. Do subscribe to my channel and let's get started. So here today I am going to make a magnet, which is a gentle reminder for myself that I need to drink water. Yes, drinking water is really important and creating this magnet is all about that. So here in this one I am using my chalk paints. Whatever the supplies I am using are there on our website at growingcraft.com. Please do check that. All the links are there in the description box. Now in this one I am going to do a beautiful color blending. I absolutely love color blending, and let me know in the comment section which is your favorite colors and what is it that you like creating with your colors, and what really tempts you to create a beautiful artwork. I love creating DIY home decors and I absolutely love it the way they turned out, and creating your own home, decorating your own house is so much fun. So here I'm just using two of my chalk paints, and after that I am going to use these two massive stamps. Like I said, crafting is fun if you are using the amazing supplies that makes your work a little more easier. Now here for my decoupage and my mixed media art, I always make sure that I use permanent ink pads, so that even if I am doing any of my blending work, varnish work, sealing work, it doesn't smudge. Now like I said, you can check out these stamp collections and the ink pad collection on our website at growingcraft.com. Do check out. Now moving back to the stamping, I have realized that stamping is one of the very fun technique. You can use this for your card making, you can use this for your decoupage art, for your mixed media art. Even if you have checked out my mosaic tray making, the mosaic art tutorials, there also I have used my stamping and they are like absolutely fab. Now adding the intricate design, and this says, hey, you need to drink some water, and I absolutely love it, and I thought that this is really important. So I'm going to highlight this with my metallic wax, and it gives a like beautiful shine to my project. I absolutely love using my metallic waxes, and over the time it keeps on shining and it really highlights your sentiments. And yes, this is really important. Do make sure that your surface is really clean. There should not be any dirt, and that's the reason I had cleaned my design before starting with the wax. Did you like this tip? Let me know in the comment section. I will be more than happy to know. If you guys have your own ideas of how do you remind yourself to drink water for a better health, do let me know in the comment section. I would love to know that. So once I'm done with my wax work, it's time to stick the magnet first. So here I'm using my glue drops. These are like one of the best adhesive for the quick sticking work. Whenever I'm making my scrapbooks, my card making, these are like one of the handy things. And for magnets, I absolutely love them. Now on my intricate design, I am going to use my liquid adhesive, and you can even use your tacky tapes. They look absolutely amazing. So I'm going to use that. Did you forget to subscribe to my channel? You can do it right away now. Just click on the subscribe button, friends, so that you do not miss out any of our tutorials. Now once this is done, I'm going to stick it to my base, and yes, you need to be really careful. It has to be in the perfect center. Do check out the pictures at the end, and yes, do let me know in the comment section your favorite way of making sure that you are drinking water. So this looks super gorgeous. This was super easy, and I quickly took out all the magnets aside, and this is really important. Did you like this video? Do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care and bye bye.